Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this avatar NEYTiRI inspired makeup tutorial, and this is Halloween makeup, and I had so much fun creating this look and I hope you guys enjoy. I have been getting a lot of requests to create a Halloween makeup, and here it is, and I'm using this particular picture as a reference, and I hope I have done enough justice to the look. And this is actually very easy to recreate, nothing to worry. So before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If you are new to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking this royal blue face paint from a brand called Snazaru, and I got it from Amazon. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please go ahead and check that out. With this foundation brush from Pune store, I am applying it all over on my face and neck. This is a water activated paint. That means you have to mix it with water to activate it, and this is quite nice. It does not stain your skin. It washes off pretty easily with just soap and water. So if you are looking for a face paint for this Halloween, then definitely give it a shot, and they have tons of shades to choose from, but you need to always do a patch test before using anything like this on your face, you know. So yeah, this step is quite self-explanatory. So I'm just going back and forth, and I'm just slowly like layering it up, because with just one layer you will get a lot of patchiness, and to cover that up you need to apply a second layer, maybe a third layer sometimes. I'm also applying it on my chest as well as on my neck. And don't worry, I'm wearing a tube top here, and with a sponge. This is not actually this is actually a dry sponge. So with my sponge I just blended everything, and I'm just applying the same paint on my eyelid. And now I'm taking this matte white shade from my Morphe 25L Live-In Color Artistry palette, and with this shade I'm just highlighting my under eye area, my chin, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead, and for that I'm using a sponge. This is again a dry sponge. This is actually a powder puff, not a sponge, like spongy powder puff. Now I'm taking this matte blue shade from the palette, and with this elf brush I'm just drawing those stripes here, like those stripes that Avatar has. And again, this step is quite self-explanatory, so you can totally see what I'm doing here. I guess there is nothing to explain. By the way, probably I will be uploading another Halloween makeup this season. I'm not sure, but probably I will upload another one, so you have to stay tuned for that. And yeah. I'm just contouring my nose, and I'm making my nose a bit thicker and bigger because Avatar has a really thick nose. I just wanted to mimic that. I'm applying the same eyeshadow on my eyelids as well as underneath my eyes, because some of my natural skin was peeping through and I wanted to cover it up. Now with my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso, I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas, and I'm just making sure that my skin is not peeping through. Now I'm taking this white shimmery pressed pigment. It's almost like a pressed glitter, and it has a blue and green reflect in it. And I'm just highlighting the high points of my face like the way I normally do. It will just give that life to the look. Also, Avatar's face sometimes glows, and I just wanted to mimic that. I'm also applying the same shade on my eyelid. Now I'm taking this matte white shade again from the palette, and with this Wet n Wild crease brush, I'm applying it between those stripes. It will just enhance those stripes even more, and it will just enhance the overall look. Now with my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Divine Blue, I'm just filling up the gaps on my eyelid. As you can see, some of my skin is peeping through, and I also didn't apply the face paint on my eyelash, on my lash line, so I'm just filling up that gap. I'm applying a white eyeliner on my waterline. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I just wanted to make my eyes look bigger. Now I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. For my falsies, I'm using my Ardell lashes in the style 857. Avatar has pretty bigger lashes, and also if you apply lashes, your eyes will look bigger, and I just wanted to mimic that. Now I'm applying a pink lipstick on my lips, and I'm just blending it out using my finger. This one is from Essence in the shade Dangerously Yours. With the same blue eyeliner, I'm just defining my lips even more, because Avatar has a pretty defined lip line. I'm applying the same lipstick on the tip of my nose. Now using my NYX white eyeliner, I'm just drawing those dots, and I'm here using that reference picture as a guideline, and I'm just following wherever that picture has those dots. And on forehead, it's quite like spiral DNA like dots, if that makes sense. So I'm just trying to mimic that. Again, this step is totally self-explanatory, so you can totally see what I'm doing. Adding those dots really like changed the entire look, right? So yeah, the makeup part ends here, and here's the completed look. I also applied some fake elf ears which I got from Amazon. Again, I will link it down in the description bar below. And I did those braids on my hair, and here is the final look. Again, I had a lot of fun creating this look. When I first started, I was not sure if I'm going to make it or not, but here it is, and I truly love the way how the entire look came together. And this look is special because of those detail works. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. I'm listing all the products that I have used in this video in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out as well. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.